Hello everybody and welcome back to Glitterati Glamour. If you don't know me, my name is Kaylin. Hi, how are you? If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because that's where I am most up to date. That is at glitterati_glamour, and if you want to follow me on Twitter, just because I have it, it's at glitterati_glamr. So, I've been gone for a minute. We've passed like a month and a half. If you don't follow me, I went live a few weeks ago and explained what's been happening, but I can give you a little rundown. I have been working on my family's company, Reaper Sports and Trading Cards Inc. I will leave that listed down below. And we have been picking up very nicely, which I'm so happy about. I'm so excited that we finally get to share our company with the world. And it's taken a lot of effort. Plus I had school and finals, and that was a catastrophe, to say the least. But now we're here. It's Christmas time. Wrong way. Christmas time. And it's time for a nice Christmas look. My eyes are primed, so let's just get into it, okay? I want to share this with you. I love you. Come on, let's go. My eyes are primed, but I don't want to use a very dark color. That's why I grabbed my Orgy Palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I just want like a super base, like kind of look. I don't know. Maybe gender fluid. And I'm just going to coat my eyes with it. Now that my eyeball is coated, I am going to take a white, okay, where would we be without Kaylin dropping things? I'm going to take my white Haus Labs eye-dentify gel liner. It's a little dull, but that's okay. And I am going to line my eye as I normally do, and then I'm gonna stop, okay? This is like, it takes me a minute. So my issue with gel liners, I don't have very many, but they don't often give me a tight line. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to sit like this. Is it focused? Good. And I have to pull my eye back just so I can make sure I line everything properly. But I also wear glasses and I don't have contacts in, so this is going to be a time for both of us. Okay, I sharpened my pencil just because we're gonna need a little bit of a sharper line to continue on. So now that my lash line is lined, I'm going to flick up and then go from there. You know, we're doing this together. You can kind of see the white, and I made it pretty thick. It's kind of on the thicker side because I want to put red in between. I also got lipstick all over my hand, so if it's across my face, it's what's gonna be. So I don't have a red liner, but I want to take what is on my lips, Jeffree Star Cosmetics Pointsettia, because, or Pointsettia, I don't know how to say it. I don't know, okay? And I'm gonna take a eyebrow brush. I think this is like the cutest Christmas color because it's got like little sparkles and stuff, you know? But it's fine. I'm just gonna, okay. So I'm going to coat this brush, but like not a lot, just like enough so there's pigment. And we're gonna do candy cane stripes. I don't know where. This brush might be a little thick for it, but. I think it's cute. I don't know. I might be stupid, but I think it's a total bop. Anyways, I'm going to curl my lashes so that we can see what this looks like with a little bit of mascara on. And then we will do the other side. Okay, come on. Can you not see, like, this, going to a Christmas party when there's not a pandemic? Like, hi. I would do it. But just to add, let's put a little bit of sarcophagus because that's my go-to shade right in the inner corner. Like what? Like that is it. That is it! So I'm going to continue on to the next eye just because I feel like it. Okay, I'm going to put gender fluid onto the eye. Now we can move on to the eyeliner. Okay, so now that the white graphic liner is done, we are going to add the red candy cane stripes using our same liquid lip. But I think I'm going to try an eyeliner brush this time and see how that goes. It's a trial and error. See what works best for you. Okay, so now that I've cleaned up the edges, we're pretty much done. I'm just going to slap on some mascara and then we can talk about it. Okay, so I really enjoy this Christmas look. I hope you guys do too. It's December 24th, I think is when I'm uploading this. So Merry Christmas. If you do anything like this or have any inspiration from this, which I hope you do, but if you don't, whatever. Be sure to tag me on Instagram, on Twitter, so I can see it. I love to see it if you guys create something. So I love you guys so, so much. And I promise in the new year there will be many more videos, and there's gonna be a video tomorrow, so if you missed me, you get two days in a row. I love you. Bye guys.